Here is a wonderful 2019 Nissan Altima. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance, spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.